Hey you guys, welcome back to PJ's Place. Come on in. All right, y'all, I am back with another quick video. And as you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a luxury purse unboxing. And also I'm sharing with you some luxury replica jewelry items that I picked up on Temu. So I'm just kind of mashing this video together. You all seem to really enjoy my last Temu haul. And I actually have not been shopping on there as much as I was, but I did go and look for some jewelry items, and so I got about 8 items that were under $20 total, but I think they were some good finds and that you'll enjoy them. But before we get started with that portion of the video, let's go ahead and do the purse unboxing. You should have, of course, you saw the thumbnail, and so the purse that I'm sharing with you, this is the box that it came in. And ooh, shout out to Kit Life RU. That's the name of the website. So it is kitlife.ru is the name of the website. They reached out to me and they sent this purse for me to share with you. They have a lot of beautiful purses, accessories, shoes. I think you're gonna like it, and you're also gonna like their prices. So anyway, this is the purse that they sent to me, you guys. And this purse is this is the way it came packaged in this beautiful box. It is so well done. I was very impressed with the packaging. And here it is inside of their plastic covering, and that is to keep it protected, which I am so happy about. It comes in a dust bag, and it still also has the name on the purse, on the dust bag, the name of the purse on the dust bag. And it also comes with, if you are giving this as a gift, it comes with a gift bag, y'all. Really nice. And you know what? Christmas and holidays are coming. It also comes with the little ribbon. So if you're giving it in the gift bag, with a little flower. So I was really impressed with the packaging. So let's open the bag so that you can see what I got. I'll tell you, when I went on their website, they had a huge selection. I really could not make up my mind. So this is my first time opening it. And this is the Chanel 19 medium flap. That's the style of this bag. And I have it in all black. And so, as you can see, I had not unwrapped all of it, but y'all, this is beautiful. The quality and craftsmanship of this purse is impeccable. I really, really do like it. It has the wide quilted diamond look on it, which is very standard for this purse. Let me go ahead and I'm going to unwrap the rest of it, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I have unwrapped her completely. I still have the stuffing on the inside, but this is how she looks completely unwrapped. Y'all, they had this packaged so exquisitely. I mean, down to the paper on the little knob that you use to open and close the flap. It was covered in paper so that there would not be any scratches. But here's a close-up look of it. This bag is absolutely beautiful. It is some of the softest lambskin leather that I have ever felt. It is beautiful. I love the black on black, which is the one that I chose. So you can of course carry it as a handbag with your outfit, or you can carry it on your shoulder, or probably as a crossbody if I were to use this. But it is so good quality. Here, the cord and the chain has leather woven throughout it. It has the beautiful black on black Chanel, or the double C's there. There is a pocket here in the back, so it does have a back flap, which it does snap, so that is great. Let's move up just a little bit. So it does have a flap on the back, and it does have a snap on the inside, as you can see. So if you do put like your phone or a card or a wallet or some cash back here, you can snap it closed. And as you can see, it snaps really snug, but it's nice and deep, and you can snap it. And so let's go on the inside and show you how it looks on the inside. So when you open it up, it is absolutely beautiful. Let me take the stuffing out. and this is how it looks on the inside. It's so beautiful. It has the two C's on this emblem here on the inside. I don't know if you could see that. And then it has a zipper pouch on the inside with the black zipper pull that also has the logo on the zipper there. And it's nice and roomy. I like that because you have enough room to put a large phone and all of your personal items. Like if you carry like a little small makeup pouch or makeup bag, you can put it in here. But I just like the idea of it being black on black, but this quality is impeccable. I don't see any imperfections in the stitching on the front nor the back. The chain is nice and weighted. It's very heavy. It also has leather on the back, so if you are wearing it as a crossbody, it's not going to disturb or bother your shoulders very much. I guess that's like a, you know, kind of a level of comfort that you'll have if you do wear it as a crossbody. But the leather is so soft. This is how it looks on the bottom. So y'all, this is one of the most beautiful bags that I've ever seen. This company has an array or a variety of brands and styles. It's too many for me to name, but I will also leave a link directly to their website, which is kitlife.ru, so that you can click on there and go directly to their website if you want to take a look at what they have to offer. Okay guys, so don't forget to go ahead and head on over or click the link down below so that you can head over to kitlife.ru and take a look at what they have. I think you will definitely be glad that you did. Okay y'all, so now let's move on to the next part of this video, which is a haul of some items, mainly jewelry, that I picked up on Temu. So luxury jewelry items. And y'all seem to really enjoy the last Temu video that I put up. So I have been out there not shopping as much, but I was looking for some jewelry items, kind of luxury dupe items, or replicas rather, and let me share with you what I got. So let me put my glasses on because y'all know I can't really see without them. So the first item that I want to share with you is called the Fashion Stainless Steel Gold Plated Bracelet. They say it's a niche design, but I will tell you, this bracelet, when I saw it, it reminded me a lot of a David Yurman style. And you should probably be familiar with David Yurman. Kind of a high-end, well, it's a high-end jewelry. A lot of people buy their bracelets that are the white gold or the stainless steel or silver look, but they also sell some gold look. And so that is what this one looks like. And here it is. So turn down the light just a little bit. There you go. So hope you can see that. It is beautiful. It has the little connector here, and that is how you attach it. So and these bracelets, I don't know if you can see these, but these bracelets are some replicas that I actually purchased on Amazon. I think I've mentioned this one to you before. This is the Van Cleef & Arpels, and this one is like a Cartier replica. But anyway, I'm going to put this one on. I'm going to layer it with the bracelets that I already have on. The other ones I did, again, pick up on Amazon. So I can't, it's hard for me to fasten it myself. Okay, there it is. I got it on. And so this is how it looks on my wrist. But it's really cute, and it layers perfectly with the other bracelets that I'm already wearing. But this is the one that I got from Temu, and this one was $3.59. But this is it right here, and it does look very similar to a David Yurman style. The next item I got is a replica of the Van Cleef & Arpels, but it is a necklace. So I've just showed you, I showed you the bracelet, which is a replica of that same brand or designer brand. So I purchased a necklace to match, and this is how it looks. Let's see here. There you go. And this necklace was, it was 98 cents, y'all. So here again, just keep in mind, y'all, these are just fun pieces that are very similar to some luxury jewelry pieces that I just am not at this point. I'm not really trying to spend a lot of money on that type of jewelry. Maybe if it were for a gift or if I'm treating myself, but this was just really to find some cute, fun items on Temu. Okay, so the next items, I'm going to show them to you at the same time, and they're calling it on the Temu site the vintage handmade braided stripe bracelet, fashion round. But when I open them, you're going to be very familiar with what they are or what brand. And I've already shared with you another bracelet that I picked up on Temu that is of that same LV brand. But this time I got the round ones that are like the leather look. And so this is the dark one, and it has like a little purse on it that dangles on your wrist. And this one is the lighter cream color, and it has like just a charm. I don't know what this is on here. It looks like it has like a perfume bottle, but it's not the logo. So, but yeah. And those two bracelets were $1.68 each. So they didn't come together, but they're $1.68 each. Alrighty, so now let's move on to the next one. And the next one is it's another replica of the Van Cleef and Arpels. And if you can't tell, that is like right now one of my favorite. It's really popular right now. So it's just, I've been trying to, it's on Amazon or wherever I can find that particular replica style. And so this is another of the necklaces, but this one is gold. So I showed you one that had like a little mother of pearl look on the charm, and this one is I've been seeing people wear this one, which looks like it's just all gold. So there you go. And both of these necklaces are 16 inches. I don't think I mentioned that. Yeah, they're both 16 inches, so they won't hang very long. And since we're on that Van Cleef and that one was $1.61, if I didn't mention that. So now let's move on to another Van Cleef and Arpels bracelet. I am just stuck on this particular brand. I don't know why, but I've been looking for the green color charm because it just seems to be so popular. And so I did get this bracelet, which is in the green. Now, one thing that is noticeably different to me with this one in comparison to the one that I got on Amazon is that the charms are a lot smaller. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but they are considerably smaller than the one that I got on Amazon. They keep turning over. I'm trying to put them on the green side. But can you tell the difference? Here, there you go. They're considerably smaller. So I probably won't layer these with this bracelet because it obviously doesn't really look, I feel like this one looks pretty close to what an original one or what an authentic one looks like. And I've been going back out there on Amazon to, whenever I see one, I'll snag it, but I hadn't been able to find one lately. I've been seeing the necklaces on Amazon, but I want this green color, but I think I want one of the ones that another one of the ones that I purchased from Amazon is what I'll look for. And that particular bracelet on Temu was $2.47. And so last but not least is this last bracelet that I picked up, and this one is very similar to a Coach bangle. And so here it is. Let's see, can you see that? And y'all, this one has a lot of weight to it. It's very heavy, but it looks like a little belt buckle. And I haven't tried to open it, but I think, yeah. Okay, so yeah, you just slide it open. It opens like that, and then you close it and you put the little lever inside one of the holes as if it were a belt buckle, like that. Okay, so here is the bracelet on, and it is really, I will say this is probably my favorite out of all of the jewelry items that I picked up this time. I really do like this one. This is very heavy in quality. I'm a little bit concerned though that this buckle won't stay closed. I feel like this clasp may lift up, and so it may not stay closed, but for the most part I really do like it. Okay y'all, so that is it for this video. Shout out again to Kit Life for collaborating with me on this video, reaching out and asking me to share one of their luxury purses. I hope you enjoyed that. I will leave a direct link to their website, kitlife.ru, if you want to head over to their website and check out some of their luxury items that they do have available. If there is a coupon code available once I edit this video, I will definitely include it in the description box down below or in a pinned comment. And also, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the pieces that I picked up on Temu. Let me know what you think. If you've been shopping on Temu, what have your thoughts been of some of the items? When I go over there, I'm pretty specific about what I'm looking for, and so that's what makes it so much fun for me. So yeah, I will try to leave a link for those items. There are some times when I go back, the particular item that I have purchased, they have sold out, or that seller is discontinued, or it's not on the website, but I'll do my best to leave you the links for those as well. Please like and share this video. Share it with anyone that you think would enjoy the kind of videos that I put up on this channel for the mature lady. I hope you consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. Follow me on Instagram at PJIam. Please check out my website blog at misspjsplace.com. And until another video, y'all.